We're gonna flip you to
Newcastle is a city with a large international transient population and receives in excess of 18 million visitors per year. This raises numerous challenges for those arriving in the city, from wayfinding to extracting the meaning and context from situated public signage. Existing digital displays are primarily used to broadcast advertising as citizens rather than enabling them. By enhancing route guidance, pedestrians can learn about and understand their environment. We plan to co-design and build a very recognisable prototype orb-shaped beacon to be located on top of existing street furniture sites such as signposts and map boards. Our mock-ups envisage that these will be large enough to contain some of the technology components and could display cardinal directions, so they are also of use for people to orientate themselves. Closer to ground level, at one or more points, specially designed site-specific labels will be attached. Both the high-level beacons and the low-level labels will be recognisable from afar. A lost pedestrian would first find a beacon site. Using their smartphone, a person would tap on the label containing an NFC chip providing a location-specific URL to open a public web page. To increase access options, the labels will include QR codes, the actual web page URL, and from within the beacon itself, a locally generated Wi-Fi hotspot providing a local alternative version of the web page. Using HTTP request headers, the web server will attempt to automatically detect the person's preferred language settings and show the content in their language. It will also be possible to manually change the language with the web page. The page content provides information about directions with the ability to download predefined route maps relevant to the location. These will have been created using the Google My Maps tool. This system might allow people to contribute to routes such as tips, recommendations and memories. These augmented routes could be something which citizens could share socially. Our Ubicom project is based on existing open source software and low-cost hardware. This will reduce installation and operational barriers, potentially permitting deployment at a much larger number of locations. We will also attempt to identify other use cases, such as within public buildings and outdoor spaces, moving beyond our pilot test case of language as a primary barrier. This research gives us the opportunity to better understand the issues that people have when they arrive in an unfamiliar place, more specifically, how they navigate their way around the city and overcome barriers of comprehension. We hope this project will inform local authorities to design places that are more accommodating to existing citizens and new arrivals alike, and support community building, participation, engagement and access, enhancing the smart city concept.